Alright, I'm going to Italy in about 2 weeks, and I need to try on all the outfits that I'm bringing because it's just easier to pack to see what shoes, everything I'm gonna wear with everything. This is a dress my dad actually got for me for my birthday. I'm just deciding which shoes. I think these are kind of cute with it. I like these too. I know the walking, but I'm fine. But I think this is a dinner. It's gonna be a nighttime dress. What do you guys think? Isn't it so cute? Got it from Water Lily in Spring Lake.